Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, the health educator. And today, I'm gone. Be sharing what I eat in a day to fuel my body and feel my best. So let's get started. All right, so it's 7 a.m. and I'm just waking up. There's no water first thing in the morning to get my body moving, and then I like to make a smoothie for breakfast. So in my smoothie, I will have spinach, frozen berries that are high in antioxidants, a banana for potassium, and a spoonful of peanut butter for protein. And if I'm not in the mood for a smoothie, I'll have oatmeal with some nuts and seeds on top. Both of these options are great sources of fiber, healthy fats, and protein to start off my day. All right, so now it's lunchtime, and I'm getting ready to head to work. I packed myself a whole wheat wrap with hummus, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, sprouts, and grilled chicken breast. This is a great meal because it has a lot of different nutrients and food groups. You have your whole grain from the wrap, protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the avocado, and tons of vitamins and minerals from all the veggies. All right, now I'm at work, and I'm getting ready to give a nutrition education class. I love being a nutrition educator because I get to help people make small changes to their diet to improve their overall health. Now, after my class, I have a little bit of time to relax, and I'm gone. Go ahead and grab a snack. So for my snack, I'm going to grab a handful of almonds. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They also keep me full and satisfied, so I do want to snack on something that isn't very filling like potato chips or candy. All right, now it's 5 p.m., and I'm getting ready to head home. I'm so excited to try out this new recipe that I found on Pinterest. It's a Mediterranean quinoa salad with chickpeas and feta cheese. I love how easy and quick this recipe is to make. Plus, it has a lot of healthy ingredients like whole grains, beans, and veggies. Quinoa is a great source of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates. It also has a lot of iron, which helps carry oxygen throughout our bodies. Chickpeas are another great ingredient in this recipe. It's a good source of plant-based protein and fiber. Veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions add vitamins, minerals, and fresh flavor to the salad. I'm really enjoying this meal, and it's definitely a new favorite of mine. And now it's dinner time. I'm having leftover quinoa salad, and I'm adding in some sliced almonds on top for extra protein and healthy fats. I love the combination of flavors and textures in this meal. It's the perfect balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to keep me full and satisfied. All right, now it's 8 p.m., and I'm winding down for the night. I'm going to do some journaling to reflect on my day. I love being able to look back on my day and see all the healthy choices that I made. I went for a walk after dinner to help aid in digestion, and I drank some herbal tea before bed. Herbal tea is a great way to relax and calm down before going to sleep. So this was just a sample of what I eat in a day. Everyone's dietary needs and preferences are different, so it's important to find what works best for you. I prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, and I try to eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide me with the energy and nutrients I need to feel my best and support my overall health and well-being. Remember that a balanced diet and active lifestyle are key to living a happy and healthy life. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.